everyone. There's a free application on Avery.com where you can set up address labels to start your fabric labels. So I am going to start by starting a new project. I'm going to click shipping address labels. And the number I'm going to use is 5160. I'm going to make my own label. And it's very easy. I'm going to add my image, browse, and my files. Click my picture. Make this picture big. Now I'm going to add my text. Going to move this over. Then I'm going to type my name. And I am going to center this. And they have tools over here. That's the centering tool. I'm going to center this also. And I separated that because I'm going to change that to a different font. I'm not going to exactly use the same font that I used before because I just want to use an example. I use the fonts already located on my computer. And then I'm going to add some more images. Avery has a host of gallery pictures that you can add. So let's try one. And of course, you can make it as big as you like. Rotate it. And then I'm going to send this to the back so the words can be up front. You see how it just generates all for one. And then now I'm going to save it. Okay, at first, I'm going to get the centering correct because it's not centered right. So just a simple labeling program that helps you use Avery Labels. Okay, arrange and align. I want to center this. So now it's perfectly centered and I don't have to guess. Now I'm going to save it. I'm going to save this to Fabric Sheets Demo. I'm going to save that on my online account. You can create an account and it's very simple. It's easy and the computer will give you a step-by-step. Now I'm going to preview. So basically what it does, it gives you a sheet in PDF form. So I'm going to tell it to print. So it's collecting all the information so it can get ready to print. Okay, actually, let's try this. Let me see if I can save it on my computer. See if it will it act correctly. I'm going to save it to my downloads or to my, better yet, so I can see it. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Save. So it's very simple and easy to create. If you created a label before on either Word, that's how simple it is. Okay, I'm going to save it again. But this time, I want to save it as a PDF. So to save as PDF, I have to tell it to go to print. And it's been saved as a PDF. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to export it. And I'm going to export it to a JPEG because we want to import it into our Cricut Design Space. I'm going to put it on my desktop again so I can easily find it. Into my Safari. Bring up my Cricut Design Space. I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to upload it. I'm going to upload to Pattern Fill. Browse here. Go to my desktop. And I'm going to find my file, and the name of it is Fabric Sheets Demo. Let's see. JPEG image. So here is my image right here. Don't worry about it being duplicated. I'm going to click my photos. I'm in Design Space now. I'm going to save it. Yeah, wait a few minutes so it can completely save that uploaded pattern. Okay, now it's done. I can click cancel. And so now what I want to do is I want to insert a shape. I'm going to take the square shape, click the square shape. I'm going to unlock it. I'm going to resize it. I'm going to unlock it because I want to put in the sizes I would like for it to be. And those sizes will be for this label. The width of 2.625 and the height of 1 inch. Okay, now I'm going to click it again and I'm going to change this to a print option, and I'm going to click print patterns. And so what we're doing is pulling up the pattern that I just showed you how to create in Avery.com. It's easier to me than Word and the other one in Photoshop. And those are other applications that I have used and could have used. Now we're going to edit this. Don't worry about it's all filled up. Don't worry about that. We're going to maximize it all the way till we get one image. And I'm going to, that going down or up? Okay, there we go. Now it's moving. I have to give it time. I'm going to put it at 50. I'll try this. So maybe I can do 75. So I'm going to do 150, jump up. 225. Bring it up some more. Then if you want, you can make it so you can bend that material so you can sew in. Or you can use your Xyron and make it a sticker. There we go. That's kind of perfect. We can do that. That's actually nice. So if you want to fold that in or stitch around, you can do that. You can reshape it however you like. So now we have, let's lock that. And then we're going to save it. Going to save it as Fabric Sheets Demo. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to duplicate this. And I'm going to line it up. Duplicate it again. Line it up. And I'm going to grab all of these. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. I only did 2. Moving faster than the machine, so bear with me. Okay, I'm going to undo that because I was just trying to make sure that I have one under that. Duplicate. I understand why it's not working. I don't understand why that one's not showing up. However, okay, I duplicate that, what I can. It's not doing anything. But anyway, you would just duplicate that until you get the desired amount that you want. And I'm going to select these all. I'm holding down my control key. It's not doing anything. Select all. Now I'm going to attach them. And the reason why I'm going to attach them is so I can still get the separate cut without it combining together. Give it a minute. It's going to appear back in a few minutes after it attaches. My internet is moving a little bit slow, so I apologize. I'm going to switch over to another network real quick. But once you attach it, then you want to click Make It. Hopefully it transfers over so I can finish showing you this demo. And that's where you would do your print and cut. Apologize for this.